What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we have our FPV crate from Get FPV, and this is for the month of November 2019. And if you already know, I do tons of tutorials and tons of Betaflight tutorials as well, just to set you up and set up your first drone, to even some advanced features like GPS and all that other stuff. So check out my channel, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a like if you like this video. So anyway, let's go ahead and go to the unboxing and unbox November 2019's FPV crate box. All right. Take a little bubble wrap out. A little thank you. And looks like we got a code here for, what is this for? FPV Crate Store. You get 5% off. Cool. And if you guys wanted to use that code, I guess you can. I'm not sure if it's the same for everybody. And this month's stickers, Never Disarm. Neat. Not really too much a fan of stickers, but some people do like these. Alright, we got a little keychain, says FPV. Cool. Oh, what is this thing? This looks like some type of gate or something. Oh, it is. It's a micro gate. Cool. It's kind of too big for the camera to see, but it's a pretty much a racing gate. You can put this up in your house and fly some micros with it, or even put it outside if you have some brush quads or whatever, or brushless. Alright, let's put this somewhere where it's not going to smash into something. Has these little Velcro things where you can stick them on something. Cool. We also got a shirt. I am a sucker for shirts. Alright, so we got a shirt here. We got... Alright, this is a cool shirt. I like this shirt. Has a quad on it. You know what it is. Cool. Like it. And looks like for the boost this month, looks like we got some motors. We got some 2207, 2500 kV, 3S to 4S, naked bottom style motors. Take a little peek at them out of the box. Comes with some screws. So yeah, that's the motor. Nothing fancy looking. It's just black with some silver, and it says booster, and it says FPV crate. I don't think this says FPV crate. FPV booster, really. That's all it says. 2207, 2500 kV. Has a little bit of, I think it's orange or red on the bottom, and then black on the top. These kind of look like the Xylo motors. They're painted just differently, because I noticed how high the bell is off of the stator. But yeah, so that's this month's November 2019's FPV crate. So let me know down in the comment section down below what you thought of this month's box. Let me know if you actually do subscribe to FPV crate. I'd like to know, and if you were excited for this box or not, getting some motors. But until next month, we'll get another FPV crate, and we'll do another unboxing on that. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.